Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Revenue Pro Tips channel for another Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week, guys. And we do this every single Tuesday to help you get your money right, help you continue growing your business, your bank account, all that good stuff, right? And today's quick tip, guys, is answering questions. How do you generate more free traffic for your affiliate offers or your online store? Well, one of the easiest and most effective ways to do that is to add value to people by answering their questions, right? Because those questions are stemming from a problem that they're experiencing. And if you can add value to them by answering questions, they're going to be more inclined to come back to you, whether that's your social media, your website, your blog site, your videos. They're going to find you and want to know more about you and see if there's other things that either you have just to offer them that they're looking for already, or it's an actual problem of theirs that you can help them solve. Okay. And we've talked about this in other videos, guys. Check out our other videos on the channel. But today, what I'm going to do is show you really quickly a couple of really good sources for really creating some great engagement with people and creating and generating some free traffic for you and your business. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into the computer. We're going to check out a couple of these sources, online sources, for you to get some engagement and create some new customers and visitors for your business. All right. Let's jump on in right here. So one of the first places you're going to want to go to is Facebook. Okay, I don't care what you're looking for. There's probably a group for it on Facebook where people are giving advice, answering questions, giving demonstrations, all kind of stuff going on in these groups, right? But you can pretty much type in whatever you're looking for. So say, for instance, for example, this morning I was trying to figure out, my wife brought a new little machine or whatnot to make French press coffee, right? So I was trying to figure out, how do I do this? She wasn't around. How do I do this with this little machine? So I looked it up, searched for it online, and found what I was looking for and helped me out accomplish what I was looking for. So for example, talking about coffee, if you just type in coffee, guys, on Facebook, go to the search bar. You can see I typed in search coffee. And then if you go to groups down here, groups, you will see all these different groups. You know, the foundation or the basis of all these different groups is something to do with coffee. So within these groups, you will find, you know, so many different people looking for answers or questions or ideas when it comes to coffee. And this is where you want to jump in. If you see somebody with a question or something like that, if you're promoting something related to coffee, maybe a French press machine like I was using this morning, then you can, you know, share with them how you did it, what you did, where you bought, all these things, okay? But the point is to get in there and to help people create value by either giving a demonstration, answering questions, all that good stuff, okay? That's one source, is Facebook groups. Really, really great, okay? The next is gonna be a website called Quora.com. Quora.com is basically like Yahoo Answers, right? It's a newer, updated version. Really, really great for engagement. A lot of people come on here, just like some Facebook groups, but even more particularly, a lot of people are looking to get questions answered around whatever the topic is. So same thing with the Facebook group. If you go up here to the search bar and you type in coffee. All right, so we're just going to type in coffee and see what pops up. Okay, now you have all kinds of questions around coffee. Is coffee healthy? What's the secret? What's the secret to a successful coffee shop? So on and so forth. If we typed in what I was doing this morning, which is how to make French pressed coffee, and see what pops up here. What is the secret to making a great cup of coffee with the French press? Okay, so we'll just click on that first one there. But say you have an answer to that. What is the secret to making a great, you know, you can give your input, give your advice. So this is the question, and you can see all kind of people are chiming in, okay? You know, whatever it is, right? In here, you can give people, you know, you may be able to share a link to a blog site that may help people, a video, so on and so forth. Right. But genuinely, you see if somebody has a website here that somebody can copy and paste and click on, who knows where that's going to take them. But I think you get the point. All right. So there you can see those are just two sources where you can get some really great engagement, help people out, deliver value, answer questions, and maybe even show people, link them to a video, so on and so forth, blog site. But I think you get the point. The tip is, again, answer questions, create value, help people. And this is a way that you will get some terrific engagement for absolutely free. Cost you nothing to answer questions within these groups, these sites. It doesn't cost you anything to join Quora. It doesn't cost you anything to join these Facebook groups. All right. And these are just two of many, many similar sources and opportunities that exist where you can help people out and create some free traffic, just like I just showed you right now. All right. So I hope you have gotten value from that. I hope that if you're not doing this already, that you start doing it, right? One other additional quick tip in relation to this though, is don't get overly consumed by, maybe visiting all the tens and hundreds of sites that are out there where you can do this. Pick one or two, right? Set a scheduled time of day where you go in and you start answering questions, right? Or however you're going to engage with people on these platforms. Schedule a certain amount of time, whether it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes out your day, an hour out your day. Okay. But don't get overly consumed and think you have to answer every question, because some people set notifications. You can do that around whatever topic that you're really trying to create engagement with, audience that you're trying to create engagement with, right? Don't get overly consumed in that, okay? Pace yourself, and over time you will build a great audience or create some great engagement and get more people to come to your websites, your affiliate offers and things like that, all right? So that is it for today's Quick Tip Tuesday video on how to generate more free traffic for your affiliate offers, for your websites, all right, for your business. Okay, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you like it. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, we're all about helping you create financial freedom, right? Put you in a position of success when it comes to your finances, whether that's within your business or just your personal bank account, all right? So click the little red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we upload new content. And make sure you follow us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips, and we'll see you next week. Peace.